How to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in PS5. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in PS5. So to get started, go ahead and check for account linking conflict. So a Microsoft account can only be linked to one PSN account and vice versa. If you see an error like this Microsoft account is already connected to another account, you'll need to sign in with the original Microsoft account linked to your PSN or create a new PSN account to link with a different Microsoft account. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is to clear your Minecraft save data on PS5. So go to Settings, Storage, Save Data, and PS5 Games, and then find Minecraft, and then select and delete the save data. This resets the login cache and can resolve persistent sign-in errors. Third thing you can do if that doesn't work as well is to restart Minecraft and try again. After clearing data, restart the game and when prompted, sign in with your correct Microsoft account. Use a browser or mobile device to complete the sign in if needed. Now, go ahead and use the Microsoft Remote Sign-In page. On the Minecraft login screen, you'll see a code and a link. Go to https://aka.ms/remote connect and then enter the code shown on your PS5 screen. Sign in with your Microsoft account to complete the link. And lastly, check for error codes. If you see error code drowned, it may indicate a network or account sync issue. Restart your PS5 and router. Try logging in again after a few minutes. And that is how you can basically fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in PS5.